He's not the Messiah.
One of your pins buggered off. So, who's round for Renford with second round of Fight Club? Still we for a fellow contestant.
Last time it was welly wanging. Now it's this. Okay, that is brilliant. That is brilliant. The giant penis.
3, 2, 1, go! To marry him, you're going to be awarded with a medal.
Bloodstock, what's the first World Fight Club? Under the frequency of the Hypno-Toad, take this man for your award-winning husband. Step forward! Under the frequency of the Hypno-Toad, and our priest, who is timely got here timely right. Take this man for your awfully wedded husband. Please not come forward. Oh, hey,
Hypno-Toad. Hypno-Toad comes out. Are you back for Christmas?
Eh?
He'll be back for Christmas.
He will, yeah. My